Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So today's video is all about file handling. So file handling is a core skill in Python that allows you to read, write and manipulate files. With file operation, you can store data, create logs, process text and even generate reports. So let's understand this with some examples. So the first one is create a file and write a text file. So in this we'll create a file and then we'll write to it and then we'll save it. And here we are printing a success message that file created and written successfully. And now we'll see its output. So here we can see the output that file created and written successfully. So this creates a new file and writes a simple greeting. And now we'll append text to an existing files. So here we'll append the text to an existing file. So here we'll open the same file we created and by using f.write we'll add the text to this. So here we have added a new line to this and then we'll print a success message. And now we'll see the output of this. So here we can see this adds a new content without overwriting the existing one, and this printed text added successfully. So now moving on to the next line. So the next one is read a file line by line. So for this we'll open a file which we want to read, and this will print all the lines line by line. And now we'll see the output of this. So here we can see the output. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is count words in a file. So for this first we'll open the file and this will count the words in the file. So now we'll see the output and we'll see how many words are there in our file. So as we can see the word count, it gives us 11. So it will count the words in your file and it will give you the counting. So the next one is write a list to a file. So for this we'll create a list here. So this is the list we have created and we'll add this list to the file. So we'll add this list into this file. So here this will save a list of items to a file, one per line. So let's see its output. So let's also print a success message. So here we can see the file is saved, and once we'll open the file fruit.txt, this will give us the text. And now the next one is read a file into a list. As before we have created means we have written, and now we'll read it. So let's open the file we have created before. And now we'll print line by line the elements of this file. And this will print us the list, and now we'll see its output. And here we can see the list printed in front of us. So this is how we read a file into a list. And now moving on to the next one. So the next one is create a log with timestamps. So for this firstly we'll import the datetime module. So this will import the datetime module, and now we'll open the file. So this will add an entry in this file with timestamp. So here we'll see the output of this. So here we can see the output of this. And now moving on to the next one. So the next one is count lines containing a specific word. So for this we'll open the file we created earlier. So this will open the file and this will read all lines, and this will check for the word Python in line. So this will read all lines and counts how many contains a specific keyword, and now we'll see its output. So here we can see that the list containing the word Python is only 1. So Python's file handling capabilities are simple yet powerful. You can create files, append data, read content, process text, and maintain logs. By practicing these unique examples, you can handle real-world file operation efficiently while keeping your code short, readable, and functional. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.